Hello and welcome to Searching and Exploring Your Process Data. One of the keys to optimizing your processes is the ability to easily search across all your operations and zoom in on those areas that are most in need of attention. In this presentation, you'll be introduced to a feature in WinSPC that allows you to do exactly this: datasets. A dataset, as the name implies, is a set of data. More specifically, it is the result of a scan of all your quality and production data that WinSPC does on your behalf based on search criteria you specify. Datasets are a tremendously powerful feature. With them, you can quickly uncover hidden increases in variability, alert yourself to process changes you didn't know occurred, isolate machines, process steps, or other points that are resulting in scrap and rework, and much more. Once created, a dataset can be reapplied in the future with just a couple of mouse clicks to deliver up-to-the-minute views incorporating all data collected. To get you benefiting from this new feature right away, WinSPC version 8 ships with a variety of pre-built datasets. These include datasets for activities, such as products that have run recently, datasets for quality issues, such as items that have had a spec limit or control limit violation, and datasets for good or bad statistical trends. In total, there are over 50 pre-built datasets. Additionally, you have the ability to develop your own custom datasets, enabling you to conduct investigations that are unique to your operations. Developing your own dataset consists primarily of applying filters to the data in your WinSPC database. Here is a list of all the variables in the database being used for this presentation. They number 447. Let's explore some of the filters you can apply to this list. This filter type list contains the available filters. The annotation present filter narrows your dataset to items with an assignable cause, corrective action, or note that matches specified criteria. The object name filter narrows your dataset to items that match part or all of a name. The control limit checks and the specification limit checks filters locate items with a control limit or spec limit violation. And the statistic value filter allows you to isolate items that match statistical criteria. Let's walk through an example using a statistic value filter. The user interface for each filter is designed to give you maximum flexibility when defining your criteria without requiring you to write SQL statements or have programming experience. As you can see for the statistic value filter, all of the standard statistical functions are available for you to work with: CP, standard deviation, ppm, etc. Beyond those, the WinSPC specific functions associated with version 8's cost modeling functionality, such as the cost of process shift, are included. For our example, we'll select CPK. Let's say we want to narrow our list of variables to those which have a CPK value this month that is less than their CPK value was last month. This would highlight at-risk processes and give us an opportunity to make an adjustment before significant scrap or rework is incurred. To do this, with CPK selected, we select this month and the less than relationship. Next, we specify what we're comparing this month's CPK to, which is last month's CPK. Once our selections are complete, we submit them. WinSPC then scans the database and presents those items that match our criteria. Notice that where there were 447 variables listed earlier, there are now 33, telling us that of all the variables in the database, 33 have a lower CPK this month than they did last month. Armed with this insight, we can take a variety of steps. We can narrow our list further by applying another filter. We can double-click one of the variables to see detailed information about that variable. We can save the dataset to a CSV, Excel, or HTML file. We can even preview the dataset in a report, such as this production summary report. Properly used, datasets are capable of providing you with statistically sound, actionable intelligence. And with that, you have another weapon to use in your fight to improve quality and increase profit. This concludes the What's New in WinSPC version 8 presentation on datasets. Thank you for watching.